Period.
You got me singing la di da da da. Love it when you get it going, don't stop. You put it down and I light it up. That's just the way that we rock. You got me singing la di da.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amaria and I am back with a new video. I purchased this hair from ISEE Hair. This is my second time purchasing a wig from them, and honestly, from having this wig for so long, because I have had it for a very long time, this wig is pretty good for the price that I got it for. I did not pay over $100 for this wig, which is pretty good. So if you want a bob wig, I suggest you to go cop one from ISEE Hair, because honey, it's literally below $100. Go cop you a wig. The hair came in this box. Now this box looks pretty messed up right now because it was in my tote and it was in there for a minute and was squished down underneath all my books and whatever else was in that tote. And it came in this box, obviously not in this condition. And then on the back has ISEE Hair's logo, where you can follow them on their social media accounts. And the hair was in this plastic bag, which has the hair type on top, which is Brazilian hair, and then it has the hairstyle, which is a bob straight wig, and then the hair length, which is 10 inches, and it came in this bag. They also had these 3D lashes. I didn't even know that these were in this box. Like I said, I purchased this wig like a minute ago, so the box was in my tote. So when I went to grab it out my tote, this is the first time I'm seeing these lashes. I didn't even know they put these in there. So I got myself some lashes. They're 3D. It looked pretty good. So, you know, I got myself some 3D lashes. Beautiful. Sorry, I've been saying beautiful. Alright, I'm over here doing too much. So I just want to go into how this hair has been holding up. Basically, like I said, I got this hair a minute ago. I have worn this wig before, but I haven't worn it like that much because I kind of switched back and forth from my other wig that I purchased from them, which is a curly wig, and then I'm also getting my hair done in different hairstyles. So I haven't worn this wig, like, you know, for a minute. I'm just now recently starting to wear it, but this wig so far has been holding up pretty good. I'm gonna go into shedding and how well I was able to bring it back to life and so forth. So basically, this wig, like, you could leave it in a tote for like a long time, and let's say you decide to want to wear it and you're like, oh dang, this is kind of messed up, I don't know if it's gonna bounce back. And basically what I did was I took it out of my tote, I went and washed it with my hair products that I have, and basically brought it back to life. Like, this wig is honestly amazing. It is amazing. Honestly, it is amazing. And I'm actually really surprised it even bounced back the way it did. I thought that since it had been sitting in my tote for so long, and I just thought it wouldn't have been able to bounce back and like be straight and be, you know, silky as it is. And now I honestly did not think this wig was gonna bounce back, but it did. So, you know, let me get some drink. I also want to get into shedding. Now, this hair honestly does not shed that much. I haven't actually gotten any hair like tangles or anything like that from this wig. It hasn't really been shedding like that because I really don't even, like, I'll comb it, but I don't be like, you know, combing it like all the time none of that. So it really hasn't really been shedding that much for me personally. It has not been shedding like pretty much at all. Like I've worn this hair recently in some very, very hot weather, like humidity up to here. I worn this hair in some really hot weather, and it's like I said, it's been holding up. And the ends, I actually cut them a little bit. I had my mom cut them because they were kind of looking a little bit like split ends, so I had cut them. Like I said, I did cut this wig, and after that I really haven't had any like problems with this wig. It, you know, obviously you have to customize it whatever way you want, but other than that, this wig is, I would say, a grade A, honestly, because it's really good. It's a good wig. Like, I would definitely suggest to someone who is like a first time in trying out wigs, you should definitely go to this company, because like their prices are low and they are affordable, and honestly, you can't go wrong with that, especially with wigs nowadays. Wigs are really expensive, so if you ain't got no $300, $200, $400 for a wig, I'm telling y'all, ISEE hair is for you, because it's affordable, okay? It is affordable for anybody. Like I said, this wig was $79. I didn't even pay $100 for this wig. I didn't pay $100 for this wig. This wig was $79. Okay, let me say it again. $79. Come on. You can't get no better than that. You really can't. You just can't. Period. You can't get no better than that. That's what it is. I also want to talk about the shipping. Shipping took about 3 to 5 days, which is really good for shipping, because honestly, this hair did arrive pretty quickly. I think it arrived in like 3 days. It arrived in like 3 days. This hair did not, this hair did not take long to like get to me at all. So there's that. There's that. The shipping is really good. 3 to 5 days, that's nothing, because most times when you order wigs, they take, you know, like a long time to get to you. So 3 to 5 days, you can't get no better than that, period. Price is affordable. You can't get no better than that. Like I said, I did not pay $100 for this wig. This wig is $79. You can't get no better than that. I have not really been experiencing any shedding. Can't get no better than that, because most wigs, weaves shed. This hair has not really shed. You can't get no better than that. I mean, like, all around, you can't get no better than that, period. Period. You can't get no better than that. So I definitely would suggest to someone who, I definitely would suggest that you guys go and purchase yourself a wig from ISEE Hair, because honestly, they are affordable and you won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed at all. I will be leaving the hair description and everything that I told you guys about this hair in the description box below. I will also be leaving ISEE Hair social medias and everything for you guys to be able to find this hair and the hair link in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section on what videos you want to see from me next, and let's get it. I'll see you guys in my next video.